So it's the long weekend. Yeah, it's pretty nice. We found this like little bay. Labor Day on Monday, and we were hoping to go somewhere, I mean, short road trip or whatever, but everything was booked out. I mean, all of New South Wales was booked out, and we are kind of procrastinators. We leave everything to the last time, and obviously we didn't get any accommodation, so I guess we
just decided to book a car and just try to see what's going on close by.
Yeah, in somewhere new. So we found this place on Google Maps, and well, Margarita was trying to find a place to scuba dive, but I think visibility wasn't that good. That's why we didn't do it, but we came regardless. And yeah, it's pretty nice. We found this like little bay in Google Maps, and
it looks quite good. So you'll see a few pictures, not pictures, video on this one as well.
Yeah, it's quite nice. We will definitely be coming back to scuba dive or to snorkel, but the water today was very cold, and it's kind of a cold wind as well, so we didn't. Yeah, we
weren't able to go in. There are of course brave people that were able to go in and probably enjoy. I don't know.
Yeah, I think I was going to be brave. Margarita didn't want to go, so I was. What's the point of doing it alone?
But anyway, this place is kind of cool. Even though we weren't able to go to the water, we were able to actually to see two whales just jumping just in front of our eyes. It was pretty cool, and
and they were very close to.
We never see whales.
Well, we do see them, but we're not fortunate to see them
occasions.
Comparing to other people. Yeah.
Yeah. And this place is awesome, and we'll be showing a few other places around New South Wales. Just stay tuned.
Yeah, with COVID, because we can't go anywhere else, maybe we go on like short day trips to places we've never been, but they're cool enough. Yeah, because Australia is a great country, I think.
With a great coast for sure.
Yeah. So this morning we woke up pretty early to catch the sunrise at DY Beach. We had this car till about 10. Yeah, we are on our way to give it back. And yeah, we wanted to use it a little bit more in this morning. So we went to DY to try to catch the sunrise, or what lasted of it. The light was pretty nice, and we didn't see any whales comparing to yesterday. That's why we wanted to go there. But we had a nice brunch, or a late second breakfast.
9:30 a.m.
Yeah, and a nice dirty chai, which is my latest discovery. So every time Margarita usually has chai lattes, and I like them, but not enough to consider them over coffee. And recently I discovered that there's a thing called dirty chai, which is a chai latte with a shot of espresso, and that's what I've been getting.
Yeah,
it's pretty good. Give it a try.
a really nice afternoon in the lake today, and we just finished our kayak session, and it was kind of lovely to just do something different, I guess. Just because it was too windy at the beach, and it was more comfortable just going to something a little bit more secluded. And Narrabeen offer both of them, like lake and a nice coast. So we went to the beach first, but because it was really windy and a little bit uncomfortable, we decided, okay, let's try the lake, and it was really nice. Yeah, so now we are going to DY again, and we'll try to eat something and wait for the sunrise to see sunset, sorry, to see if we can catch a few pictures and just enjoy a little bit life in general, I guess. Yeah. Cool. Narrabeen. Como é que é o nome?
Narrabeen, yeah. We get the words to follow.